Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via car's system. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. If you connect your smartphone, it will automatically go into CarPlay or Android Auto mode. To play music, let's go to YouTube or Spotify, for example YouTube Music. And now you can select from quick settings, or you can search from last, bibliothek, or download it. If you want to play music via Bluetooth, let's go to menu and now media. Select Bluetooth, connect device, select your smartphone. Mine will automatically go to CarPlay, but basically you select Bluetooth over the CarPlay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.